Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing eyebrow tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Follow me on Instagram to see short videos daily. Make sure your eye pencil is sharpened well, and then brush your eyebrows upwards with a spoolie. That way you will see if you need to trim it. I'm translating this because I got new subscribers who understand Swahili more, and so I'll translate the ones I know. Powder your eyebrows to remove oil around it. And then using Davis number 8 eye pencil, I'm going to draw the lower eyebrow starting from the edge and just follow the shape. Ignore my dark shoulders, that is the effect of skin tan due to the 001 climate. My spoolie has soap on it, and I'll use it to brush my eyebrows. It gives your eyebrows a matte finish. Taking this flat brush and cleaning lower part, and I'm doing it gently, just following how I drew my eyebrows. That is the end.